Namaskar. Welcome to our very first episode of virtual talk show Manyavar Meri Pehchan. It gives me immense pride and joy to be hosting this virtual talk show that is one of its kind. Our first guest who would pilot the show today is much popular amongst her team for her empathy and encouragement. A staunch believer in people efficiency, she is the owner of 4 VFL stores in Kolkata under the banner Vandana Enterprise. Welcome to the show, Vandana ji. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Thank you for having me on this show. It truly feels great to be a part of this initiative.
Thank you. Vandana ji, how long have you been associated with this brand?
Well, I have been associated with Manyavar from the very beginning, but professionally from last 8 years.
Oh, that's great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, Vandana ji, today the entire organization is focusing on business KPIs. What initiatives do you drive in your stores to enhance your business KPIs?
So Parvataji, what do we do is we believe in collaboration. Hence, we try and include the team in all the discussions. This basically increases their belongingness, which in turn improves their performance.
Okay.
So for KPIs, we make sure to explain them what it is, why is it important, what are the benefits of KPI, and how measuring these various parameters can actually impact their own sale and the store sale. This financial year, we also started analyzing the individual ABV and ABS on a daily basis, and we discussed this in the daily briefing. We also maintain an Excel sheet for the same, where the employees can also keep a track of their performance compared to others. So this gives them clarity, and they can accordingly work towards their targets. We also have some slab-wise cash incentives for wow bills. We have initiated Employee of the Month, wherein we declare the names of the best performer in terms of ABV and ABS.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So, to keep your staff motivated, what kind of incentive plans do you roll out in your stores?
So here, I believe there are two types of incentives: cash incentive and non-cash incentive. So for us, basically, store culture is very important. A little flexibility with the team. So what I mean, we try to understand their problems and empathize. We try to create a friendly environment for them, focusing on the areas of concern for them. Last year, one of our employee got hospitalized, and we realized how important is health insurance. So we took a group health insurance so that they have a peace of mind. So basically, hand holding them during tough times, and then first comes the incentive structure. So for incentives, apart from regular incentive schemes, we also have slab-wise cash incentives. If a single bill amount is like above 50,000, 60,000, 75, 1 lakh, and so on.
Oh, okay. So, how do you think that this particular incentive structure is helping in boosting team productivity in your stores?
This, in fact, is clearly visible in the number of wow bills compared to previous years, which I think is a win-win situation for all. Cash incentive motivates them to close big bills. Say, for example, if they have just clocked rupees 45,000, they try to take it to 50,000. That makes a wow bill. So by chasing smart goals, they feel motivated. So smart, yani, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. So these goals, they motivate them, and they become more energized and create a healthy competition amongst the team.
Oh, that's fantastic. So, how do you engage, empower, and energize your team, Vandana ji?
There is a popular saying that if you do not take care of your customers, someone else will.
True.
So the same applies to our internal customers, our store team. So they need to be taken care of so that they can deliver wow experience to our customers. So it's very simple. See, happy employees is equal to happy customers, which actually results in growth in business. So here, I would like to share one of my experiences. We had one loyal customer who bought many of her friends and relatives to our stores for making their purchases. Hence, we thought of doing some small cake cutting ceremony for her, as they already had a plan to visit this mall on her
Mhm.
birthday. So that lady was really super excited about this thought. But on the other hand, you won't believe one of our team members, he just murmured, "हमारा केक तो कभी कटा नहीं and customer का बर्थडे मनाएंगे." So it really hit me and मुझे लगा कि एक्चुअल में ही इज करेक्ट. जब
Mhm.
उसने उस चीज को एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया तो वो उसे डिलीवर कैसे करेगा. सो हमने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं व्हाई नॉट वी डेजिग्नेट वन डे इन अ मंथ टू हैव अ birthday celebration for the teams. Then this was one little learning and implementing things from our own experiences. Similarly, last year it was really challenging for everyone. So there were pay cuts for the team,
Mhm.
some of the other issues at home. So we thought of doing something, different for them. So for the very first time, we organized an annual meet, like, a town hall meeting where we rewarded and recognized the performers in different categories and
Okay.
applauded them for their great work. So, and we also organized some games for them. We gave them a trophy, and the happiness and the excitement, which we could see on their faces was just amazing.
Mhm.
One of the team members was so excited. He told कि घर जाके मैं अपने बेटे को दिखाऊंगा कि मुझे ट्रॉफी मिली है. And everybody was so happy. In fact, हमें लगा कि हमने ऐसा कुछ पहले क्यों नहीं किया. So
Mhm.
are the little initiatives which we do, which we try to do on a daily basis. And apart from this, like we always try to identify people who are going that extra mile.
Mhm.
I strongly feel one person cannot have all the qualities. So the role of a leader and a coach is to unlock the team's potential to maximize their growth. So there are three success stories which I would like to share with you if time permits. So firstly, there was a housekeeper who had acquired the skills of a salesman, became a fashion advisor, and today he's one of the top few performers of my stores. Secondly,
Fantastic.
there was one of our store was not performing very well, and there was a lot of negativity among the team members. So हमने क्या किया, हमने थोड़ी बहुत shuffling की. We identified one salesman to take the responsibility of the store as a store manager. Of course, initially there were few challenges, but we tried to fix them over a period of time, and this really worked. And he very efficiently managed the team and the store, which actually resulted in increase in sale and positive environment.
That's
So
lovely.
yeah, this really worked for me. And last but not the least, one of our store managers who could very efficiently manage his store and had those leadership qualities and was looking for some added responsibilities became a cluster manager, managing all the four stores. So these are
Fantastic.
just few things, we try to implement something or the other based on our day-to-day learnings. So this also shows them a career path.
Mhm. Mhm. Great. Vandana ji, Manyavar has been taking a lot of initiatives lately. Would you like to mention a few of those initiatives taken by Manyavar that has helped in driving business for you?
Yeah, KPI initiative, I think it really works great.
Right.
So from last few years, we've started thinking on these lines, which at the end increases the sales. So
Mm-hmm.
it altogether gave a new perspective of looking at things.
Mm.
Before this KPI concept was there, say for example, we used to do an X amount of sale. The entire team, including me, were very happy on that particular day,
Mm.
as we had no parameters to keep a check on this. But now,
Right.
since we have KPI, and we are aware of the various parameters, we do this exercise to see how healthy the store actually is.
Mm.
and it
Mhm.
also brings competition among the team itself. So
Mhm.
it helps us in setting smart goals. It provides a roadmap basically. Apart from this, I feel Guru concept is another initiative which has done wonders. The best part is, it adds confidence to the team members and they take
Right.
initiatives and owners. They also see a career opportunity, which is very important, a
Mhm.
growth path.
Mhm.
Uh, Giving a designation really works great. They
Mhm.
start behaving like one. Pele, if you remember when we used to call them salesman, they behave like a salesman. But as we call them fashion advisor, I honestly, see them building that relationship with the customer. They don't try to sell products. Rather, they give them a solution. They advise them as per their need. So,
Mhm.
so it basically helps in delivering an experience to the customer by following the 7 steps of Aditya, watched by Guru in the stores. So I think these initiatives are brilliant.
Thank you. And finally, I would want to know from you that what is that one area where you would like to need any kind of support on from Maneuver?
That's a tough question. But I really think, we the business partners should get to frequently catch up with HO operation as well as
Mm-hmm.
support functions.
Mm-hmm.
This will help the partners to be aware and aligned with the company goals. These catch-up goals can be virtual ones. We don't have to have big, meetings and all done city-wise or state-wise, wherein we can discuss the processes and the policies, share our best practices and challenges, and we can learn from each other. So this is, I think, very, very important because unless we have a clear understanding of the latest policies and processes, we won't be able to explain it to our store team to get the expected outcome. So this is one thing I think Maneuver should work on.
Thank you. Feedback taken, Vandana ji. Thank you so much for readily agreeing for this virtual show. We wish you all the best for the festive season and the upcoming season. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much, Paramita ji. Thank you. It was an honor talking to you.
Thank you. I found her initiatives quite inspiring. How about you? Vandana ji plays the role of an ideal coach to her team. What is your leadership style? Stay tuned to meet our next guest on Manevar Meri Pehchan. Till then, wishing you much success in business for the upcoming season. Namaskar.